Hello students. Today I am going to start the next topic of resources and development, that is land utilization. As you all know, land resource is one of the important natural resource for us because it supports so many economic activities. That's why it is one of the important factor of production. Now in this topic I am going to explain you that for which purpose we are using the land of India. So in India we use land for varieties of purpose, which we start from net zone area. Now India is agricultural country. भारत एक कृषि प्रधान देश है. वजह बिकॉज हमारी जो लैंड है, जो ज़मीन है, वो एग्रीकल्चर के लिए बहुत अच्छी है. So 54% of our land is covered by net zone area. Now the question is, what is net zone area? Now net zone area, it presents an area in which total crops are grown only once in a year. एरेबल लैंड का वो हिस्सा जहाँ पर साल में एक बार खेती की जाती है, वो एरिया, वो लैंड नेट जोन एरिया में आता है. द सेकेंड यूज ऑफ लैंड इज एज फॉरेस्ट. As you all know, the importance of forest for human beings, for wildlife, as well as for our environment. So 22.57% of our land is covered by forest. The next is land not available for cultivation. वो लैंड का वो हिस्सा जिसे हम कल्टीवेशन पर्पस या कृषि के लिए इस्तेमाल में नहीं लाते हैं. So this one is divided into two parts, barren and wasteland, and the second is land for use for construction purpose. So barren and wasteland cover 6.29% of our land. Now what is barren land? A barren land is a land which is totally unfit for cultivation. बंजर भूमि जो खेती योग्य नहीं होती है. And wasteland, it consisted by like desert, arid region and rocky region. ये सारे जो areas हैं वो wasteland में आते हैं. And the second is land used for construction purpose. It covers 7.92% of our land. In this, we use a land for different types of construction work, like for constructing or establishing industries, fertilizer factories, roads, buildings, dams, bridge, and etc. The next one is fallow land. Now, first we have to know what is fallow land. Now, fallow land means a land left without cultivation for a particular year. ज़मीन के वो हिस्से जिन्हें हम कुछ साल के लिए छोड़ देते हैं, जिन पे हम कृषि नहीं करते हैं. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड द लैंड रीगेन इट्स फर्टिलिटी. क्योंकि उस दौरान जो भूमि होती है वो अपनी उर्वरा शक्ति को बढ़ा लेती है. सो इट ऑल्सो डिवाइड्स इनटू टू पार्ट. द फर्स्ट इज fallow land and the second one is other than fallow land. Now, fallow land covers 7.03%. Now, what is current fallow land? Current fallow land is a land left without cultivation for one or less than one agriculture year. एक साल या एक साल से कम के लिए जिस भूमि को छोड़ दिया जाता है, कृषि नहीं की जाती है, वो करंट फेलो लैंड के अंडर में आता है. Other than current fallow land, it covers 3.82%. It means a land left without 1 to 5 agricultural year called other than current fallow land. जिस जमीन के हिस्से को, जिस भूमि के हिस्से को 1 से 5 साल के लिए छोड़ दिया जाता है, कृषि नहीं की जाती है, वो other than current fallow land आता है. And the last one is other cultivated land. Now other uncultivated land. Now this divided into two parts, grazing land and for growing trees and groves. 3.45% of our land used for grazing animal and 1.70% of our land used for growing trees and for making gardens.